What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mommy Hughes. I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the Heal gang. And also make sure that your bell is turned on so you don't miss any notifications from moi. All right? Okay, so anyway, y'all, this video is going to be my first get ready with me video, okay? I'm not going nowhere. We're not going nowhere. I'm just going to be in the house, working from home as usual, okay? But, you know, during this quarantine, I've been wearing nothing but sweats and workout clothes, and so I decided to get dressed up. You know, I kind of miss dressing up. I miss getting dressed up, you know, putting on my nice little, you know, business suits and dresses. So I said, why not? Why not just do a video and reminisce on the times where I used to dress up, okay? So anyway, y'all, in this video, you're going to see me do a basic makeup look, okay? It's my basic makeup look. It's nothing fancy, nothing hard, very easy. This is my traditional everyday makeup work look, you know, just keeping it real simple, real basic. I'm pretty sure the things that I've used already, you already have it in your little makeup stash, okay? Nothing fancy, all right? This is going to be a simple everyday makeup look. And then the hair I'm wearing is the same U-part wig from Luvme hair, okay? It is a Brazilian body wave in 19 to 20 inches. I did cut it, okay? So y'all, I cut it, so I don't know how long it is now, but it is still a good length on me. I'm about 5'4", okay? So you're gonna see me put the U-part on. You're gonna see how I curl the front, how I actually install the U-part using some bobby pins and everything like that, okay? Under my hair, it is not braided. I just put it in like one big plait. I pinned it up, girl. Threw this bad boy on, put some curls in my leave out. This much of my hair is left out, which you will also see in the video, okay? So I basically go through all of that. You know, my makeup, how I put on my wig. My earrings are from Amazon. Yeah, these are from Amazon. And this watch was a gift. That's it, keeping it real basic, okay? This suit is from Fashion Nova. You'll see a picture of it towards the end of the video. It is basically that red two-piece suit. This bodysuit, this lace bodysuit is also from Amazon, okay? Yeah, look, Amazon is a plug. They got everything, okay? Somebody need to take my card because I've been shopping like crazy lately. I need to stop, okay? But anyway, y'all, I hope you all like this video. Please comment below, tell me how you holding up during this quarantine, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Till next time, mwah. Stay tuned and keep watching.